Okay, boys and girls, I've got another science activity for us for today. We looked at density the other day, remember, when we did the egg in the water, and we compared whether or not the egg would sink or float in water filled with sugar, salt, flour, or just plain water. Today's activity is kind of along the same lines. We're doing it with salt and water and cooking oil. I have water in the bottom of my glass here that I colored it red a little bit, and then this is vegetable oil here on top. The vegetable oil is lighter than the water, that's why it floats on the top. But when we add some salt, which is heavier than the oil, it will sink down through and pull some of the oil with it to the bottom of the glass. And then once the salt dissolves, the oil will float back up. So I'm going to move my camera around a little bit so you can see this, and then we'll add some salt. Now I just filled this glass about a third of the way full with water, added a couple drops of red food coloring, and then topped it off with some vegetable oil. Simple things that you have in your kitchen. Hang on 1 second. Alright. Let me try to get the camera here to where it's looking at the glass. That's a little better. There we go. I have this great cooling cookie sheet thing that stands up off the table, so it's working great for a lot of my science stuff. So I'm just going to take my salt and shake a little bit in there, and you can see it sinking down through and pulling the oil with it. And as the salt dissolves, the oil floats back up. And it should do this as long as you continue to add salt. Because the salt is heavier than the oil, it pulls the oil down with it because it clings to the side of the salt. But then as the salt gets to the bottom, the oil floats back up. It's kind of like making your own little lava lamp. Alright guys, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for another fun science activity. Bye!